The first poem is called Somali Queen. It's about a young girl who's under the age of 18, who's been forced into a marriage, which turned out to be such a traumatic experience. I am a Himari girl whose body soaks in blood. My veins pop up, making my body a flood. I have been tainted with fake love and abuse. I was forced into a marriage in my youth. Mama and Baba sold me to a man out of fear. I have been trampled on for over a year. I was blinded of my rights in my deen. But now I know that in Islam, I'm a queen. So therefore, I should be respected. I should be treated with respect. The man bruised my skin from within. I did not know how to fight or how to win. All I knew was that Balad K was at war. Balad K means country. With itself, its own people fighting each other, shedding pure Somali League blood altogether. But now I freed myself from Mr. Abuser, ran away from the shame, and I'm not a loser. I freed myself from ruining my own body even more. I was beaten, battered, blood on the floor. Listen to my silent screams. We were at war. Refusing to give in to his desires, I was torn. That sweet Somalian soul rises and is now reborn. Thank you. My second poem. Imagine a world without love, humor, and peace. The storms drain away our emotions, and we use smiles to seize the tears from flowing. Imagine a world where there is no money to purchase what you desire, no matches to light up your world with fire, no shelter to cover up the scars we fail to admire. The sun burns our tan skin even more, and we have survived the civil wars, bleeding rivers of mercy, bloodshot eyes. Who knows why my mother still cries? Imagine our people scattered everywhere, but the world does not hide us. We stumble, yet we raise our flag up high. We struggle, yet we are resilient, no lie. We settle in different parts of this adun, yet our land cries, Balad Kena cries for us to come back and reunite with our families. Is golden arrow misses our feet. The clear blue skies and the wind consumes our minds. Thanks. I don't know the poem. No. Okay. I don't know the title of this poem. Okay. My body is my home. I've been living in the cold. Everyone's left. I'm alone. Sadness floats in my heart. People are bleeding on the floor. I wish I could help them, but we are abandoned to the war. Our own people kill each other, desensitized. We've ignored all the gore. I know it's hard to take it in. There's no Aman, peace anymore. I want to live in a peaceful land, broken bonds never like before. My country is broken in pieces. Smiles hide behind the door. I can't believe this is happening. Through the Al-Bab, there is more. More lives lost, more recruited boys to fight for this never-ending war. More sick souls to be cured. My people are dying slowly. My body needs to be secured. I want to protect my country from the dhulun, oppressors who are bored, taking our resources. All they do is nothing but tear my people apart from each other. My mind is flooded with tears, it's so raw. I have blood on my hands, I don't know. This bloodstain is unaccounted for. It's not my fault. The mercy escapes from my lips. People smash my walls, but I endure. I stay put, fighting to hold my Somali Arab tongue. My Ga'an hands wraps around my body, I'm not sure. If it's enough for me to protect my country, if I'll shield it from getting attacked in this civil war, Somalia, it needs to be reborn, rebuilt, and the people reassured. Because Balad Kena, our country, is torn and our future is blurred. This is my last poem. It's called Dear Future Me, and it's Somalia talking to its future self. Dear future me, I hope one day you will become a better place. You have suffered enough for more than 25 years, and you will be finally recognized by your race. I promise you that there will be no more fears and tears. That one day, Farhad Akunola Hena, we will live happily, and that we will be proud to say we are from Somalia. Hurnamehena Akhadahena. We will take back our freedom. Is that correct? And your people will reunite and they'll be proud to say, Adban or Ja'alna hay balad kena. We love our country so much. We will not forget our baris and mosques on the side of the sahan, the plate, the ma'awis, and the say wallahi gang. Adi iskadik fam. Our walalo acting like clowns, making us laugh till our stomach hurts, making us tear up. We'll reunite like the hidig on our flag, the star on our flag. The 5 points of the stars connecting all 5 states of Somalia. Our future daughters will wear the bati and garbasar with no shame. Wind gathering dust like swirls in the mid-air. The gentle breeze reminding me of my future. I know that my future is bright, just like there is sunshine after this rain. I will not let my country continue to be torn and beaten by others who wish to destroy my culture. Dear future me, your past has been tainted. Your future has been cleansed of the handprints of the future first world generation, trying to spill out your excellence because poetry and creativity runs through your body like it's been painted. But finally, it's time for peace and liberation. Thank you so much for coming. I know that I've healed. All the memories flood my mind and make me bleed.
What this exhibition hopefully would achieve is to show Somalis and Somalia in a different light.